guys, so welcome back to one of my videos. So I know I've been gone for about 2 weeks now, but that's only because I've been having to do with school events. I had auditions. Today's video, I will be traveling all the way to Vegas for Christmas. I'm gonna be out there for a week, and currently it is 10/21 and it is December 21st, and I'm gonna be out there all the way until next Saturday. So basically, today's video, I will be taking you guys all across the country with me to Vegas, and I'm just gonna be going to go see my friends, my family, and then I'm really excited. So we're not supposed to be leaving until like 12, I think. So I'll update you guys when we're on the road to the airport. So I just landed in Vegas. Hey guys, so right now I just made it to Vegas. I'm just trying to find the baggage carousel so I can go pick up my bag. This place is so empty, so I think I can record, hopefully. I don't think I get in trouble. But that was like a 3-hour flight. Low-key kind of tired. But yeah, just gotta find my bags and see where they are at. All right guys, I just got my bag. Now I just need to go find my dad wherever he is. Well, going out the transportation grounds. Hey guys, so right now it is the next day. It is December 2022. I'm at my dad's. It's pretty cool. I'm just sitting here watching Avengers, but I just wanted to close out today's video since I was able to do it last night. I basically got to the airport. I went to go get my bag, and then we just drove around. I took lots of pictures, which I'm gonna insert inside the video so you guys can see. But I'll see you guys on the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed me going across the USA for the very second time by myself as a teenager. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.